来看美国一位日本料理师，伫咧全球开60间的餐厅，有日本料理神的好名声。伊出国打拼的辛苦，唔愿放弃的故事，即阵是拍做纪录片，要伫咧美国放送。
If you would ask people today, who is the emperor of Japan, they won't know his name. But everybody knows Nobu.
现年76岁的上久信行是美国日本料理界传奇人物，伊真够处理高贵的食材。
Every dish is like for me like the art piece. You know, have to be the beautiful and also balance the color, and so tuna and the caviar have to be, you know, how much is the amount. So everything have to be the balance.
日本既有关来的上久信行高中毕业了后，就伫餐厅洗碗学做厨师。不过，伊去美国阿拉斯加开的头一间餐厅，煞2礼拜后，因为电线烧到烧了，互伊真失志。
And almost I tried to kill myself, but I didn't because, you know, I learned some love and support and appreciations.
上久伫亲人的鼓励，重新出发，搁伫洛杉矶开店。伊的料理风格，老婆伫年都真介意，促成伊甲事业拓展到纽约，尾仔搁开到世界真侪国家。目前有60间餐厅，上久的料理会开甲全世界人拢介意食，是因为伊会当食巧妙，融合在地的食材，搁勇敢创新。像讲伊伫夏威夷一场资深暗宴所发明的手路菜，墨西哥咸姜仔青柑。上久信行的故事，即马互人拍做纪录片，7月初会伫全美国上演。伊希望借由这个影片，甲少年总破西分享心得甲经验，也希望会当鼓励世间人自我挑战，安尼就会当行出无共款的人生。公司新闻曾慧敏编译。